Hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I've made this very beautiful Victoria sponge cake. It's light, airy, with very few ingredients, very simple to make. Well, if you're new to my channel, please click the notification bell, like, share, and do subscribe. Thank you. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 eggs with equal amounts of flour, sugar, butter, vanilla, and preferably for me, I like a little bit of lemon zest. So I'll start off by whisking 250 grams of butter with my 250 grams of sugar together. I'll whisk both ingredients together for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's light, airy, and very fluffy. The color should change to a little bit brighter at this point. Then one by one, I'll add all the 4 eggs. Adding the egg one at a time whilst continuing to whisk helps to create the lovely airy bubble that you would need to achieve this recipe. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and just a little bit of lemon zest. At this point, I will sieve in my 250 grams of self-raising flour and I will very gently fold it in, making sure not to lose the very fluffy, airy bubbles that we've created during the whisking process. I'm using 2 20 centimeters round baking tin for this. I'll grease proof it and I'll be sharing the cake batter equally between both tins. I'll place them both in a preheated oven to bake for 30 minutes. Once it's ready, just place it on a cooling rack and allow it to cool down completely. Once it's completely cooled down and ready, you'll need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of raspberry jam. Well, you can use strawberry jams for this, but today I'm using raspberry jam. I personally like to layer my Victoria sponge with some very thinly sliced strawberries. Meanwhile, I will get my middle cream ready by whisking 300 ml of whipping cream with about 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. I'll whisk this continuously for about 2 minutes until it's nice, airy and thick. Once that's ready, I'll put all of the cream into a piping bag. Now simply pipe on one layer of cream on top of the strawberries and jam. Place the second sponge on top and decorate it however you like. And finish it off with a sprinkle of icing sugar. Thank you all so much for baking along with me today. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the thumbs up button, like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much and I'll see you again next Friday. Goodbye.